Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about chapter 8 motion. Okay, so first we want to know what is motion. Motion means position of an object change with respect to time and surrounding. See here is movement is there, no? So we can say this is an example of motion. Okay, so if there is no movement, we can say that object is in rest. So next one is path. Path means is a line joining the position of an object. That is the path. Next, physical quantities. There are two type of physical quantities are there: scalar quantities and vector quantities. We can say which one is scalar quantities and which one is vector quantities. When I am applying a 5 Newton force on an object, okay, what will happen? That object will surely will move. Okay, so moving to next position and next position. So we can say that magnitude is 5 Newton and direction is where towards the right, so that that force having both magnitude and direction, so we can say that one is the vector quantity. Okay, physical quantity having both magnitude and direction is called a vector quantity. Then some physical quantities not having direction, they have only magnitude, so they are called a scalar quantities. Next is the distance. Distance means length of the path traveled by the object, or that path length, that is the distance. Okay, it is a scalar quantity and unit is meter. Next one is motion along a straight line. When an object is moving along a straight line is called one dimensional motion or motion along a straight line. Example, we can say movement of a train. Train is moving in the straight line only, no? Yes. Next one is displacement. Displacement means the shortest distance between the initial and a final point is called a displacement. The unit of displacement is meter. Okay. When a person is moving from O to A and A to B, so O is the initial position and B is the final position. So what is the distance? OA plus AB. So OA is 40 plus AB is 10. Total 50 kilometer. Then what is the displacement? Displacement means the shortest distance between the initial and the final position. So this is the initial position and this is the final position. We no need to go this much far. So this is the shortest distance, that is 30 kilometer. Now we are going to discuss about the difference between distance and the displacement. Okay, so distance means the path length. Displacement means the shortest distance between the initial and the final point. Distance is a scalar quantity, displacement is the vector quantity. And unit of displacement is meter, unit of displacement is meter, same. Then distance is more and displacement is less. Sometimes we are in the straight line, distance and displacement is equal, so we can say distance is greater than equal to displacement. Next one is uniform motion and non-uniform motion. Uniform motion means if an object covers equal distance in equal interval of time is said to be uniform motion. So what is about non-uniform motion? If an object covers unequal distance in equal interval of time is called a non-uniform motion. Next one is speed. So from Bijini to Bongaigaon almost 20 kilometers is there, no? So when I am traveling the bike Bijini to Bongaigaon, I took half an hour to reach Bongaigaon. Okay, but second time Bijini to Bongaigaon I will travel by bus, so they took 1 hour. So first half an hour we are saying, oh, very fast, no? Speed is more speed. Second time 1 hour is taking, we are saying, oh, speed is less speed only. If time is less means speed is more, and time is more means the speed is less. So here time and speed having the inverse relations. Okay, so then there is one more thing is there, that is the distance. So the distance is both cases equal only. So speed equal to distance by time. Okay, so distance is a scalar quantity and time also scalar quantity. So speed also scalar quantity only. Okay, then unit. What is the unit of distance? Meter. and what's the unit of time? That is second. So next one, unit of speed. So unit of displacement is meter, okay, then unit of time is second, so unit of speed is meter per second. So next one is average speed. How to calculate average speed? Total distance traveled by total time taken. Okay, speed actually a scalar quantity. If speed having the direction means we call it as velocity. So how we will find out the velocity? Velocity equal displacement by time. What is the unit of displacement? Meter. And what is the unit of time? Second. So unit is meter per second. This velocity is a vector quantity. Okay, then how we will find the average velocity? Average speed is the total distance traveled by the total time taken, and average velocity is the total displacement traveled by the total time taken. Okay, if the initial velocity is u and the final velocity is v, then how we will find the velocity? Average velocity is equal to u plus v by 2. Okay or not? Yes. Now we are going to discuss about the difference between speed and velocity. Speed is what? Distance by time. Velocity is displacement by time. Speed is a scalar quantity and velocity is a vector quantity. Okay, then unit of speed is meter per second, unit of velocity also meter per second. Then here also we can say speed is greater than equal to velocity.